In the latest on Ebola outbreak in Central Africa, the virus has now spread to East and South Kivu province in the Democratic Republic of Congo. It is an area under the control of the Rwanda-backed M23 militia. The group spokesman flagged heightening fears of the deadly disease's growing reach. Earlier this week, the World Health Organization declared the highly contagious hemorrhagic fever an international emergency. The virus is suspected to have claimed 160 lives out of nearly 671 probable cases, according to figures published by the National Institute for Public Health on Thursday. The institute said there are 64 confirmed Ebola cases and 6 confirmed deaths. Separately, people set fire to an Ebola treatment center in a town in eastern Congo. This was after they were stopped from retrieving the body of a local man, according to a witness and a senior police officer. The arson attack in Rwampara reflects the challenges of the health workers trying to curb a rare Ebola virus by using stringent measures that might clash with local customs such as burial rites. Meanwhile, WHO has stepped up its Ebola response in eastern DRC. It is delivering medical supplies and setting up isolation facilities to help contain the outbreak. WHO also said 2 cargo planes carrying around 14 tons of medical supplies and equipment had arrived to support operations. Amid concerns of the virus spreading, health workers wearing hazmat suits have been burying Ebola victims in DR Congo. This comes as the disease has been spreading to the nearby South Kivu province, heightening fears of its growing reach. While WHO has said the risk of Ebola is highly only regionally and not globally, countries around the world have been taking prevention measures. Uganda has suspended all public transport to the Democratic Republic of Congo. Last week, a major outbreak was declared in eastern DRC's Ituri province, which borders Uganda. Uganda later reported 2 suspected Ebola cases, 1 infection and 1 death involving Congolese nationals who crossed the border. But it said there were currently no active Ebola cases, with a previously suspected case testing negative twice. The United States, on the other hand, is redirecting arrivals who recently traveled to the countries hit by Ebola outbreak to a single Washington area airport for screening, as per officials. India has postponed the International Big Cat Alliance or IBCA summit in New Delhi. India was scheduled to host the first ever summit from June 1st to June 2nd in conjunction with the 4th India-Africa Forum Summit. The External Affairs Ministry said the 2 sides exchanged views on the evolving health situation in parts of Africa. Meanwhile, the Delhi airport has also issued an advisory over Ebola virus. It has asked sick passengers from or transiting through affected countries to immediately report to airport's health official. This is the day after Union Health Secretary held a high-level review meeting with the states to assess preparedness and response measures regarding Ebola. For more on this, our correspondent Louisa Olani has sent us this report. Listen in.
Tension over Ebola crisis turned chaotic on Thursday in DRC as angry family members and friends of a local footballer violently demanded his body for burial. But health officials refused, insisting on a safe burial to stop the spread of the virus. Police intervened with warning shots when the protesters started throwing projectiles at Rwampara General Hospital and set fire to the isolation tents. Congolese and Ugandan authorities have temporarily suspended flights, buses and all other public transports, including ferries, crossing the border as a result of the outbreak, while WHO continues to mobilize health workers and medical equipment to curtail the disease as death toll climbs. From Lagos, Nigeria, Louisa Olani, WION World is One.